Hello students, welcome again all of you. So students, as you all know, we are doing continuation part of chapter number 7, rocks and rock types. So students, in last lecture we done two types of rocks, that is igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. So in this lecture we will going to learn further points of this chapter. So students, let us learn more point of this chapter. Okay, let's begin. So students, open page number 42 of your textbook. Okay. The buried remains of dead animals or plants become subjected to heavy pressure. As a result, their impression get marked in the rock. As you can see, there is a mark of animals on the rock. Right? At time, the buried animals and plants get petrified. These are called fossils. The study of the fossils provides information about the life in that period. Okay. Now let's begin third types of rock, that is metamorphic rocks. Before that, do you know students, near Jaipur city in Rajasthan, red stone is found. Where it found red stone? Near Jaipur city in Rajasthan. Okay. This is a type of sedimentary rocks. This rock was used for the construction of Red Fort at Delhi. As sandstone is relatively soft, it is easy to carve. Okay? It is soft, that's why it is easy to carve in it on the rock. Metamorphic rocks. Volcanic activity and other earth movements constantly take place on the earth. While these are occurring, the igneous or sedimentary rocks in that region are subjected to tremendous pressure and heat. These lead to change in the nature as well as the chemical composition of the original rocks. The crystal in the original rocks get recrystallized. This means the rock get metamorphosed. The rocks formed through such a process called metamorphic rocks. These rocks do not contain fossils. These rocks are heavy and hard. Study the table given below and try to understand the metamorphosis. As you can see the table in your textbook page number 42 students, there is a types of rocks, original rocks, photographs, metamorphosed rocks and photography of specimens. You can see igneous, original rocks, granite and photography. You can see the picture of the stone. Metamorphosed rocks, that is genus, photography, specimens. As you can see there is a lots of many types of rocks as given. Okay. So cools get metamorphosed when it undergoes heavy pressure and intense heat. After cool get metamorphosed into diamond, its price increases. We burn coal while we use diamond as ornaments. Okay students. So metamorphic is Greek word metamorphos. Okay, means change of form. As you can see, just now I have said that metamorphose into diamond. We change the metamorphose into diamond. Its price increases. We burn coal to use diamond as ornaments. So that's why metamorphose means change of form. We change the rock into other form. So igneous rock and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks. Can change into metamorphic rocks. Okay. How it's changed? Can you tell students? How it's changed? Due to under heat and pressure. Example, clay change into slate. You can see the examples. Clay change to slate. This is a change of form. Okay. One more example, you can see limestone change into marble. Metamorphic means change of form. Hence, these rocks form under the action of temperature, pressure and volume changes on original rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed under the influence of heat and pressure on original rocks, which cause to change their color, hardness, structure and composition. So the process of recrystallization and reorganization of materials within the original rock is called as metamorphism. Okay? And in starting point only I said metamorphic is divided into two types, foliated and non-foliated. Foliated means, do you remember? Just I have explained in previous lecture only. Heat and direct pressure. And non-foliated means have a layer and bended appearances. Okay? Like marbles. Okay? Now students, come to page number 43 of geography textbook. The Taj Mahal at Agra is built in marble. Okay? Marble is a metamorphic rocks. Okay, this rock was brought from mines in Makrana in Rajasthan. One realized while taking a boat ride in river Narmada through Bedaghat Gorge in Madhya Pradesh that the river has cut in its gorge through marble rock. As you can see in the picture also, students, during full moon night, these river banks present a enhancing scene. The distribution of major rocks in Maharashtra leaves the districts in Maharashtra where rocks other than basalt are found. The basalt rock formed out of volcanic eruptions has spread over a vast region of our state. Granite rock is found in the eastern part and in South Konkan. Laterite is found in South Konkan. Because of thick and extensive layer of basalt, Maharashtra does not have large reserves of minerals wealth. Therefore, mining activity is concentrated in South Konkan and in eastern Maharashtra. Laterite. In the coastal region of Konkan in Maharashtra, we find laterite rock. It is found in especially in Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg district. As you can see the red spot, Sindhudurg and Ratnagiri, it is mostly found laterite rock in this place. So students, here we have completed chapter number 7, rocks and rock types. Now students, hope you understood whatever I explained this lecture. So in next lecture we will going to learn with a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, natural resources. So students, meet you in next lecture. Thank you students.